Hmm. So today I welcome you all in the third group discussion of Team China from this Speakathon Club. Today we have four members for this group discussion. Contestant number one, Avinash. Contestant number two, Garima. Contestant number three, Ravi. Contestant number four, Sarthak. So I hope you all know the rule. The rule is you are not allowed to switch off your mic and camera. You are not allowed to read any kind of paper. And the topic of the group discussion is what kind of things you should do in your college life to improve yourself. And here your time starts now.
So, good morning, all of you.
Good
Well, as the
evening.
topic suggests, that how to improve ourselves in our college lives. As we all know, when we come to the college, there is no rules to attend all the classes or to, and no one will say you always like school. So, you are free in college. So, but how do we take care of them? I mean, some childrens will behave like, okay, we are free, we will go and do everything we want to do, traveling and exploring many stuffs. But we also have to attend classes, because if we bunk all the classes, then we have to we and then our attendance will be short, and it will affect our marks and assessments.
Yes, I completely
Avinash,
agree
would you
with
like
you,
to
but
add?
read doesn't mean you forgot about study. Study is also important in college life. Without study, nothing. You're nothing. And all other co-curricular activities are also important in college life. It will help you grow and
Yeah, I totally agree with both of you that spending time with friends or traveling is also important part, and studies is also an important part of our college life. But it comes up to us how we take responsibilities of our studies, and also how we manage our classes to attend them or going to travel with our friends to have fun. So here comes the role of our sense of responsibility to attend
Yeah, I
classes.
completely agree with you.
Yes, and we should also have a helping nature. Means we should help someone in college. We are provided a given time to relax ourselves. Am I right? I think our department gives us 1 hour or near about half an hour to get relaxed. Am I right?
Yes, you
Yeah,
are.
Am
yes,
I
you are.
right?
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
So we should use that time. So we should use that time to help someone. For example, my seniors help the poor children. Our physics department is just newly constructed. So at that time, the work was going on, and the workers were constructing that department. So and the children of those workers were with them from evening. My seniors, them they give education boards, notebooks, paints. They even didn't know that what's the meaning of name. Means they provided education. So we should do some activities to help someone so that their future can become bright. Or there are so many opportunities which we can do to make someone happy, because helping someone gives us a great relief.
yeah, you are right, and that is a very good thing to do. Everyone should help others, and it will also improve ourselves. It will also improve our view to view the society, to see the society, and that's how we can bring the change in the society. Also, to improve ourselves, as we all know, in college there are many curricular activities, many seminars, and many other things held like competitions. So students should participate in all of them, so that their skills will improve. As this Picton club is made, it will improve our skills of communication. Yeah, so that's how we
Yeah,
improve
absolutely.
ourselves.
Yes, I totally agree with you,
Yes, and the
Ravi.
most important,
And I also here want to add that our colleges try to try to make try to make ourselves in good in teamwork by making teams. In our practical sessions, in our labs, we are working in teams because we are not as a single person able to do whole work of an experiment. So
Yeah,
there we can help others
yes,
and
it
other
improves
people
our
can
skill
help.
of teamwork.
yes,
Yes,
Avinash,
yes,
we learn how to cope up.
yes,
And the
exactly
Sarthak,
what
most
you
you
would
said.
like
important,
to add something?
Yes,
So,
actually,
and the most important point is our right choice. You know, in college, we are just independent. We are not under any restriction of our teachers, of our parents. Uh, when we come to college, it depends on us that we attend classes or not. Even if we kernel the class, then no one says, no one forces us to attend the class. But if we will do this daily, that if we will kernel the classes daily, then what will happen in doing this? At last we will have to suffer a lot. So means our choice should be right. What we have to do, our motive should be clear. Means we just don't have to distract from our motive.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
uh,
true, but
say
you shouldn't
yes.
also
always attend
important in college
classes
life.
also.
We also
What you said?
attending
Yeah,
classes
Sarthak,
in
go on.
also important in college library doesn't mean ki we also attend.
No, I just said to kernel classes daily is not good.
yes, it's up to you that if you want to
Yeah,
bunk your classes, no one is here to
exactly.
talk to you and explain that if you kernel your classes, then it's not good for yourself.
Now we can say that na, ki if our choice is right, then our future is bright.
Hmm.
Means the
Yes,
sky is art.
Yes,
it's
The
all
sky
about
is
your
art.
sense of
Means it can be,
responsibility and your decisions in
yeah,
our colleges, in your
exactly.
colleges.
The sky is arts. It can be of any color. It depends on us that what color we fill it in.
But besides studies, we also our extracurricular curricular activities in colleges, because in colleges we are going to make some good skills like communication skills, which help us in our future, in our jobs or doing our work.
Yeah, I agree with you, Avinash. It's really truly said. We should focus on curricular activities. We should participate in different events to enhance
Yes,
our skills, because it is the main time. After that, our life will be more complicated.
and
Yes,
the
we
first
should
main
join
thing is to make
clubs
friends.
in the universities and colleges like poetry clubs and speakathon clubs, dance clubs, which will grow, which will made us to grow other than the classes extra.
yes, which will make us
Yeah,
to polish our talents and explore ourselves.
And
Yes.
the
yes,
main thing,
and
we should know how to self-adjust. Means when we are at home now, even if we want something, then we say to parents, and if they don't fulfill our wish, then what we simply do, we just argue with them, right? Yes,
yeah, you are trying to
but
be
but
in an uncomfortable zone and to
yeah,
convert that
but
uncomfortable zone into a comfortable zone.
but when we are in class, college, hostel, then we are not having that kind of opportunity to argue with someone, right? Like if I talk about hostler, then if I am a hostler, then I should know how to cope up with my roommate, with all the faculty members. And if I am in class, then I should know how to cope up with my friends, how to cope up with my teachers. So we should know how to self adjust. Means we should self adjust ourselves according to the given situation. And the
Yeah, we
main thing
shouldn't
is,
panic
This is
in an
all about
uncomfortable
college life,
situation.
I think so.
and Hansi, what you said?
I think so. It's all about college life. which teach us how to deal with different kind of people, different kind of friends,
Yeah,
or our teachers, or
yeah.
a
And
new
the
world.
next,
Here it's a new world for us to deal with,
yeah,
to deal with.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because college
Yeah,
life
it's a
teach
new
you
world.
how to live, because you will live as you live in the college, because it shows your personality. It can
Exactly,
either
exactly.
yeah,
It's
you
like a
can
it's
either
like a
go up
demo of
or you
world
can go
where
down.
we have to live after a few years.
Yeah,
And we should,
it
and
is
we
the
should
basic
try
step,
to
no?
be,
It is the
Yeah,
basic
it's a
step to
basic
live
step.
that.
Yes, yes.
yeah, and we should try to be self-dependent. Means we should have ability of self-reliance. As Modi ji said, be Atmanirbhar, right? So means at every time our parents are not with us, our teachers are not with us, and our friends are not with us. So we should face every situation by our own. Suppose if I talk about I just traveling bus, so in traveling my friends are not with me, my parents are not with me, my teachers are not with me. So especially for girls really suffer a lot in traveling. So girls should know how to face each and every problem by our own. Means we should be self
Yeah,
dependent. And how can we be
yes.
self dependent?
Self-dependent and
Anyone can
self-confident.
tell. How can we? How can we be?
You are not audible. Please repeat your point.
How can we be self dependent? I just said we should be self dependent. We should be Atmanirbhar. How can we be self dependent? We can be self
Well,
dependent means we can do our own work by our own by not taking help from others na.
well,
So we can be
the
self
first thing,
dependent by participating in all the events. Means uh, we should be good in studies also, and we should try to be involved in all the events like dancing, singing. Means in each and every field we should be all rounder.
yeah, the first thing
I
that
think so.
is
No one
required in
here
this
is
is
a all-rounder.
self-confidence.
I think no one here is an all-rounder. If a person is able to dance
But
or
we should
is
try
good
to
at
be na.
singing, dancing, he can paint,
Yeah,
she
I
can
know,
paint and things.
but
The
we
word
should
Not
try
all-rounder is
to.
everyone is
not.
perfect in their
Yes, we
field.
should
No
try, but
one is
we
perfect
should
in
not
all
be
the
an
fields.
all-rounder. A person can
Everyone
be
is
a good
perfect in their
dancer.
own way. No one can.
Yes, yes. I just
Everyone is
want to say
Yeah,
that.
different.
because if all are starting teaching the same skills, then what's the passion of the person? We have to find our passion. We have to
Yes,
follow that
and
passion. Someone's passion is singing, someone is dancing, and if the singer is doing dancing, then no, he can't be happy. He can't. Uh, he can't show his true personality to the world.
And
Yes,
our
you are right.
motive should
yes,
not be and our motive should not be only to get degree from college. Our motive should be to
yes,
get
yes.
knowledge.
Yeah, and knowledge and to live the life. Because college life,
Yeah,
because yeah, it is only one time, and this is the best, and live to its
To
best.
make new good friends,
we should do something
communication
creating
skills.
something new,
Yes, yes.
because it is just the last stage where we can learn so much, so many things, and we can improve ourselves. And knowledge is equal to creativity and knowledge.
Okay, so everyone, just one last minute left. Any one of you want to summarize whole the group discussion? Any one of you can, anyone
Okay,
can
I
do
will
this.
go ahead. So, well, in college life, it is the best life you can ever live. And so, and it is, you can live only once. So, you have to explore the things that you want to do, because you can explore anything. You can do traveling with your friends and do various fun activities. And with also that fun activities, you should also remember that study is very important in life. You should also study well, because not bunking all bunking classes is, yeah, it is fun, but not every time.
Yes, you are
So
right.
it is just that, yeah,
Yes,
so it's
and we
just
also
that
have to
we have
focus
to
on your
live
in
to
our.
improve ourselves. We have to indulge in everything, to take part in everything. well, I don't know if I am uncomfortable or comfortable, because in future, if I get a job somewhere and I am uncomfortable, I should know how to get comfortable. And college life teaches that.
Or we can
Yes,
say that college
exactly.
life is a time to learn, college life is a time to explore, and college life is a time to enjoy.
Yeah.
So both are correct.
Shaina, your network
China, you are
connection
not
is
audible.
poor.
You are not audible and your voice is lacking.
Okay, okay. Okay, so then do me a favor, Sarthak, stop recording.